So the name of the game for TikTok Shop affiliates right now is simply find really good products, right? You want products that are a little bit under the radar, they have trending GMV, low affiliate competition. You do your product selection, not gonna go deep in this video, I've made other videos on that. The second piece is once you got a good product, now you gotta make good content, right? See what else is working out there for the same product or similar products. Figure out how you can use those frameworks, not copy them exactly, but use inspiration, see what's working, make your own version of that, and do it at volume. It's as simple as that, right? Good product, good content, do it at scale, you're gonna make commissions. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do research to find out what is converting for step number 2, right? The making good content. I see a lot of people using just fast moss, callow data, or maybe they're just scrolling on TikTok. I'm gonna show you 2 better ways to do this that you can do very quickly. You see, with some of these other products, you have to sit down and do a lot of research on the computer. Other people, they'll just scroll TikTok till they see, a video that's blowing up. But if you check out our app, it's totally free. I'll put a little screen share on here. What we do is we give you a feed that just shows you the top performing TikTok shop videos. This is so, let's say you're sitting in line waiting for some food, or you're picking up your kids in the carpool, or you got a couple minutes here and there. You just pull out your phone. Instead of pulling out TikTok, you pull up this app and you can just scroll this feed and see all of the converting videos on TikTok. We'll show you how many views there are, how much GMV. You can select different categories. So maybe you only want to see pet content. You scroll and you just see the top performing pet videos. You scroll and you select, I only want to see beauty, or I only want to see fashion. Now, when you're just sitting there for like 5 minutes, you're going through, you're watching these videos, and you get inspiration. You get an idea like, oh, I really liked that hook. Okay, let me write this down in my notes app. Oh, this one's amazing. Let me copy this link, save it here, so then when I do my filming tomorrow, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. This will save you a ton of time. Just search it up on the App Store, Brands Make Creators. It's totally free. And you can just scroll that whenever you want, right? If you have a free 2 minutes here and there, it'll make your day so much more productive when you're ready to actually go film videos. Now that you have a bank of things that have converted for other people, you can take those frameworks and kind of use them for yourself. Now, the second method that I want to show you is for people that are a little bit more advanced, right? I know a lot of affiliates are using ChatGPT or Claude to help write them scripts, but the problem there is that Claude and ChatGPT are not trained on TikTok shop data, right? It is trained on the internet. So it is trained on what people write in blog posts about TikTok, right? So oftentimes it's going to give you garbage, right? It's not going to give you a great script. Essentially what we built is a way for you to take Claude and integrate it with our data set that is trained on hundreds of millions in GMV. It's trained on all of these videos that are converting. It's constantly watching them, not just the scripts, but the visuals. It knows what it's doing in the hooks. It knows what this person is looking like on screen. It knows what they're writing on there, the text. And now you can go back and forth with Claude and ask it to write you converting scripts based on what's actually working on TikTok today. I'm gonna show you a quick little screen share demoing exactly how this works. All right, quick demo of our new BMC Coach. This essentially lives inside of Claude. Imagine you have your Claude, and then we have our whole database of all the videos that are converting on TikTok, full analysis of what's being said in those videos, the visuals, the hook, the text on screen, frameworks for what performs well. And we are essentially allowing you to connect Claude to our data so you can use it to do a ton of different things, right? In this video, I'm gonna show you specifically how we can write really good scripts with it, but you can also feed it links to get feedback on your content. It also has watched all of your content specifically. So you'll give it your TikTok account and it's gonna go through your whole profile, actually watch all the videos. You can get reviews on what's working and what's not working for you, product selection. You can get it to send you alerts. Specifically, we're gonna be going over the writing scripts component today. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hop on into our good old friend Claude. We're gonna make sure we have our BMC Coach connector turned on. And before I just dive in and ask it, hey, write me a script, we're gonna do a little bit of research and a little bit of planning first. So I'm gonna ask it something like this. Can you go ahead and do some research for me using the BMC Coach? Specifically, I'm looking for top performing videos and frameworks, either in the health, wellness, or home space. I'm looking for videos that are mostly talking head style, because that's what I do. Let's ignore anything that's like AI or animations based. And yeah, just show me what is working right now, specifically something that has pretty high conversions. I want to see all of the frameworks and also the different hooks that are out there. So I like to talk instead of just text, but you can do either one. So you're going to send that off. And then what you're going to see happen is it's going to go through, it's going to look through the tools, and it's going to find the BMC Coach tool. And now it's going to start to actually pull in our data for you. Then it's going to get back to us. It says pulled in the trending corpus of health, supplements, and home in the last 14 days, then filtered for what actually fits your style. So I told it I want kind of the talking head. And it's going to give us a bunch of different examples here. It's going to share, the hooks, the patterns that it's seeing. But what I think is the coolest part is it's going to actually show you the videos so you can go through and watch the examples. So I'm going to pop a couple of these open right now and see if there's anything that's relevant to me or sparking an idea. All right, then once I go through these videos, maybe I got a little bit of inspiration, or maybe we need to dig a little bit deeper. So now I'm going to tell it, so specifically, I need to film content for this new Bloom clear protein drink. I'll also send you the full name of the product. I want you to find me frameworks and videos that are relevant for this, and I could use similar hooks and similar frameworks in my content. Then I'm just gonna paste in the name of the product, and we're gonna send that off. So now we can dial it even more, right? We can start by looking at like a full category, and then we say, hey, here's the product I need to film for. Find out what's working for this and see exactly how I can create a script that's going to perform. And again, it's going to search our data, and it's going to come back to you with what's performing that it thinks could work for this product. All right, so now it's going to get back to us with specific frameworks that it think would work for our product, right? So it takes this first one where the hook is any white monster fans out there, you're going to want to watch this, right? And so how we would do this for our product is say, anyone who hates chalky protein shakes, this one's for you. Really, really solid hook right there. Here's another one, 1.5 million views. The hook is, okay, so I've seen and heard a lot about this stuff from Joe Rogan to a bunch of ads on here. And we could translate this to, I've seen this clear protein all over my feed, and I genuinely didn't believe protein could taste like juice. So I bought it to prove it wrong. Okay, so it's like the skeptic to convert testimonial. This one is a really good framework. I see this a lot where you're like on the team of the viewer, right? Everyone is just naturally skeptical. And so this one is basically leaning into that, saying like, yo, I'm skeptical about this product too. I bought it to test it out because I didn't believe it. All right, so one more framework that it gave us is this like side-by-side comparison battle. I really like this one too. I'll show a couple of these examples. We're gonna use this to start to write scripts for hours, right? So I did a little bit of research. Cool, this is the one that feels most relevant for me. Now let's actually get to writing some scripts. Okay, using the number 4 side-by-side comparison battle, can you help me come up with a handful of potential hooks that I could use, both the visual, the verbal, and the text on screen? And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start by writing maybe one script, and then I ultimately wanna write a bunch of scripts so I can do a big batch content film day tomorrow. Again, it's gonna pull in the BMC Coach connector, and it's gonna start to write a script. All right, so now what it did is it just wrote up a script, and also take note of this. The coach pulled up your voice profile plus the 4 highest performing comparison battle videos. So it's doing 2 things. Again, it's watched all of your videos. It's seen all of your stats. So it knows who you are. So it's taking who you are and like what you talk about and combining it with these top performing videos. Now we asked it for some hooks first, so it's going through this hook bank. First one, this is 20 grams of protein, and this is 20 grams of protein. We've seen a very similar style in these trending videos. Text, one of these is lying, the visual. At the counter, one line of tape splitting it. On the left, you have a very thick protein shake. On the right, clear glass with what looks like pink juice. Great hook overall. Second one is kind of like the stack angle. This one, I don't like it as much, so I'm gonna skip it. Hook number 3, kind of the breakup hook. I'm done with milky protein shakes like forever. And then it's you kind of pouring out a thick protein shake down the sink. Really good hook. Okay, then you have the guessing game one. That was from, I think it was this right here, that framework, where you have that kind of guessing game where they have an object, you guess what it is. And basically on both sides, you have glasses that have 20 grams of protein. One is like the super like thick looking standard protein shake. And then you have the one that's the fruit juice. All right, so I like hook number 4 and I like hook number 1 the best. Okay, now let's write 2 complete scripts. One specifically for the hook number 1 and then one specifically for hook number 3. Actually, let's write 3 scripts and another one for hook number 4. Make sure they're all like full length scripts and go into detail. Make them all scroll stopping, make them all convert really well. We're gonna send that off, and now we're gonna get 3 scripts back. All right, so now we got the 3 scripts back. Let's check them out. All right, so this is the one where we have a countertop with a piece of tape in the middle, split into 2. We have the thick shaker on one and the one that kind of looks like juice on the other side. You start out, you say, this is 20 grams of protein. And then you swing to the other side and you say, and so is this. Now, one of them is thick, foamy, coats your whole mouth and feels like we're drinking chalk. The other one looks something like you'd order at a beach bar. Then you hold up the Bloom bag, blah, 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 goes through, and it's going to write you out the whole script. And so now you have a couple of these scripts here, and I can say things like, okay, script number 1 is great, but let's make it longer. This should be like a 60 to 90 second video, and also give me 3 variations so I can just sit down and film a bunch of them at once. Now it's going to get back to us, and it's going to share us a bunch of variations. You'll see I asked for longer scripts, so it gave me longer scripts on this one. All right, so now it got us back the 3 scripts. What you can see, all of them are longer, just like I told it, all different variations. So now when I go to film the one video, I can just film these 3 different variations. And really the point of this video is to show you that the possibilities with this are endless, right? Now that you're able to integrate your AI with a data set that actually understands TikTok Shop, it actually has watched, thousands of videos that are converting, and it has information and the data behind those. the possibilities are really endless, right? We can keep going, and I can say, hey, do a version of this where I'm sitting in my car. Can you do it where it's like a skit style with my husband? Show me other ones that are converting. My daughters want to be in the video, blah, 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 whatever. The possibilities are truly endless. If you guys want to check this out, I'll leave a link somewhere below. So that way you can go ahead and connect Claude with a data set that actually understands TikTok Shop. I hope you guys got a ton of value out of this. I'll be putting more demos out soon. I'll see you guys on the next video.